Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to use speak screen on your iPhone. To turn on the speak screen, first go to settings. From settings, go to accessibility. From accessibility, find out the spoken content. From spoken content, turn on speak screen. Now, if you want to try out the speak screen, get somewhere the content. For example, I have made some content. So here this is the content as you can see. So if you want the screen to speak out the content written on the screen, then use your two finger swipe up from the up to down on your screen.
Body. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are trying out the new feature of Speak Screen which helps you to listen the content on the screen. Thank you.
As you can see here, the speak screen worked out and it spoke all the content that appeared on the screen. So this is how it works. Hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.